Welcome to our comparison of the Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. Both of these devices offer impressive features for home security, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and unique advantages. Whether you are looking for a doorbell replacement or a versatile security camera, we will help you find the right choice for your home. Both the Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery offer 1080p HD video quality, ensuring clear and detailed footage. However, the Stick-Up Cam stands out with its color night vision feature, allowing for better visibility in low light conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor monitoring, especially during the night when security is crucial. The Video Doorbell, while providing excellent daytime clarity, may not perform as well in darker environments without additional lighting. When it comes to mounting options, the Ring Video Doorbell is designed to replace your existing doorbell, making it a wall-mounted solution. In contrast, the Stick-Up Cam Battery offers much more flexibility. It can be mounted on walls, ceilings, or even placed on flat surfaces, allowing you to position it wherever you need it most. This versatility makes the Stick-Up Cam a great option for various locations around your home, whether indoors or outdoors. The Ring Video Doorbell can be powered either through existing doorbell wiring or a rechargeable battery, providing some flexibility in installation. On the other hand, the Stick-Up Cam Battery is entirely battery-powered, which allows for easy placement without the need for wiring. However, this means that the Stick-Up Cam may require more frequent charging compared to the Video Doorbell, especially if used in high-traffic areas. In conclusion, both the Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery offer excellent features for home security. The best choice depends on your specific needs. If you prefer a doorbell replacement with seamless integration and a discreet design, the Ring Video Doorbell is ideal. However, if you need a versatile camera that can be placed anywhere and is completely wireless, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery is the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.